Hello everybody, Stockmaster Talk here from GoldMedalPennyStocks.com doing a stock chart video analysis of MEDA, that's the Media Analytics Corporation. Our last trading day was July 14th, it was a Monday. We saw a previous close of 13 cents. Saw our last trade at 0.135, that was an increase of 3.77% on a really nice volume of 266,855 shares. MEDA had a fantastic day today, some strong gains, some even bigger volume, and all of our indicators are showing a huge bounce coming right now as we speak. We're seeing a lot of really good crossovers and a lot of good reversals on our directions here, so I want to get started. A 14-day RSI is at 30.19. As you can see, we are bouncing up off of this bottom line. We are starting to move up and we're gaining some strength here. This is a really fantastic move. Seeing a change in direction on our RSI is a very bullish indicator. And I'm really excited about that one a lot. Down here on our daily charts, you can see that we have hit this bottom here, which we started bouncing off of today. So we came down, we touched this bottom, and we closed above it, which is always a good thing to see. Like it's a little bit covered up from all the candlesticks, but you can see volume was pretty high today as well. I'm always excited to see that. And furthermore, you can see resistance is really almost non-existent until you come up right around maybe here a little bit, right around the 1.6 area, maybe a little bit again up there at the 1.9. But with all of our indicators lining up and the strong accumulation that I'm seeing, I don't think MEDA is going to have a hard time breaking through these two resistance lines. Furthermore, we are kind of really close to all of our lines, our moving averages here, so to see crossovers in the near future isn't going to be out of the ordinary. Very excited here. Daily charts looking fantastic. Down here, I'm really excited about these next coming indicators. Our MACD line is prepared for a crossover. Actually, it did cross over. It closed above at negative 0.077, which is just 0.001 higher than the signal line. This is officially the crossover on the MACD line. It's always a good thing to see. We are also in a change of direction here, which is another good thing that you want to look for in these kinds of momentum indicators. As you can see, those histograms, we're getting closer and closer to that zero line, which is always a good thing to see. We're getting closer to crossing over. And now that we're above that zero line there, we're officially crossed over. MACD is looking very bullish. Love to see this continue to break out and move strong off of this here. So that takes us into our tricks. This is a 15-day tricks and a 30-day tricks. 30-day tricks is still looking a little bit sad right now. It's in this downtrend right here, but it's a long-term tricks. It's going to take a lot longer to affect this one. What I am excited about is our 15-day tricks officially is looking like it's ready to change directions as well. Coming off this bottom here and starting to recover. That change in direction is a really big indicator that you're going to see something change, and improve on our daily charts here. It's a very exciting thing to see, and to see this change direction right now is just perfect. It lines up perfectly with everything else, and I'd love to see this continue to happen. Tricks kind of is a good way of foretelling what could possibly happen, especially when lined up with a bunch of other indicators. And right now I am seeing that the tricks line is looking at a reversal here, so very exciting news there on the tricks line. Down here on our slow stochastics doing something similar. We are crossed over our signal line as well. We have bottomed out and we're continuing to climb up. This is all set up perfectly for a nice strong bounce play here. Pretty excited about this actually. Negative 79.66 is our CCI at the moment. We are kind of holding level right there. I'd like to see us bounce off and continue to move up here shortly. Down here, stochastic RSI looking good. We had bottomed out yesterday, or on Friday rather, and we've officially moved back above that 0.2 line. We'd like to see our moving average here, this 14-day moving average, continuing to move up. We have officially hit this bottom of our charts here. We've hit the bottom of the downtrend. I'd love to see this continue to climb up. All these indicators are looking fantastic. Down here on the check and money flow, we are underneath the zero line at the moment. It is 0.293. There's one sore spot on this chart. It'd have to be the CMF, even though it's not too bad. This one is a lagging indicator as well, so as the stock chart continues to improve, the CMF is going to improve along with it, and we're actually not too far beneath that zero, so recovery off of this is going to be pretty swift and easy to do. ADX line is at 47.58. We are still officially, or technically, in the downtrend here with that negative DI being above our positive DI, but with everything starting to bounce off now, I would like to see this ADX line start to correct itself and start to see those two lines converging, those positive and negative DIs. The ADX line is a really tricky one to read anyway. It's not always reliable, so love to see those converge in the near future. PVO looking good as well. We're a little bit overextended right here. I'd like to see this consolidation, but we are rounding out down here at the bottom, and that's always a good sign too. That's showing a reversal in strength. Down here on our money flow index, looking good, 44.35. We have come out of our dip here. Looks like we could bounce off and cross back above that 50 into the bullish buy zone anytime now. Very excited to see that happen. And overall, this money flow index is looking pretty good as well. You can see we're making higher lows over the last few days here, so that's always a good thing to see. Just continuing to gain strength on that is always an important thing. Accumulation distribution, like I said, we've officially hit this bottom here, and we're starting to climb back out of it. I think we're going to see some big volume coming up in the near days ahead, especially with all these crossovers we're seeing. This MACD, the Trix line, all these things crossing over each other. They are big flags for lots of investors, and I would expect to see volume continue to rise over the next coming days. MEDA, in my opinion, is looking fantastic. Lots of bottom indicators, lots of potential for bounces here. And I'm very, very excited about these crossovers, not only on our MACD line, but changing direction on our 15-day Trix, looking very bullish. We have some strong support, weak resistances. MEDA is the one to watch. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, visit them in the comment section below. Love to take a look at them. If you need more information about MEDA, you know where to find us. Just head on over to our website, and we might have some more information here for you. It's GoldMedalPennyStocks.com. Punch in your email address. We'll get everything out to you as soon as we have any information on it. Thank you guys for watching, and best of luck in the markets tomorrow.